am going to sublimate an image onto a Five Below. Some items I got from Five Below. Here's the bag. Five Below, I went specifically looking for polyester items, and I found this right here. Let me show it to you. This is a tie-dye type print with the hoodie. It's a tie-dye hoodie, mint green and white tie-dye all over with the hood. It's 100% polyester. Yeah, 100% poly. And I am going to choose an image that I have printed. This is a Create graphic, and then this is an idea or another Create graphic. I think I'm gonna try this one. Don't have everything I need. Like, I don't have my lint roller up here. I'm not gonna go look for it. Don't even have my actual heat press that has a control temperature control guides on it. I'm using the Printer's Jack sublimation ink. I'm using the Epson 4700. What I think I'm supposed to do is to press the garment for a few minutes to seconds, not minutes, oh no, seconds, to remove the moisture. Okay, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, and this press only goes for like 10 seconds. I think I timed it that it'll only roll for like 10 seconds before it starts beeping. Should I trim this off, child? I don't know. And like I told y'all, this press is not even big enough to do this. So let me try to angle this a certain way. Probably should have put it on vertical, horizontal, whatever, the opposite way, so that I can get most of the graphic on. Now, let's see. I think I'm gonna turn it this way. Careful if you're doing this, don't burn your hands when you are doing it. Janky, you know what? Okay, so this is going to be the guide for me in order to make it centered. Okay, right here, like the split of the hood, to me that is the marker right there for the center. So I think what I'm supposed to do is to fold the paper, right? Okay, I've been watching a lot of videos. Fold the paper in half in order to find the centermost point of the print, right? So I fold it just to the little extra part right there. Should I have cut that off? I don't know. But I am going to try to smooth out the wrinkles. Like I said, I don't have my I wonder will this work. Here is a microfiber cloth. I wonder if that will take off any lint. I don't know. Sorry y'all, but this is, you know, figuring out sublimation by doing it. Yes, I can watch all of the videos, have watched all of the videos, but until I start to do it, that don't mean nothing. So I am going to align this about right there, and having it positioned this way, I think it does kind of gets all of the graphic onto the shirt. I know I need to add some heat resistant tape. Okay, so I do have that. I got that from Amazon, so I'm kind of prepared with that. I think I'm supposed to put this on here to keep the image from lifting up and ghosting, meaning like a duplicate. You know how sometimes in the old days you would take your pictures to the store to get printed and somehow you had a ghost image or something, whatever. So I'm trying to keep that from happening. See? From happening here. Look, janky. Okay. I'm going to put some right here. Maybe on the corners. Yeah. Ooh, who gonna put that over there on their hot side? Ooh, careful, careful. Ooh, okay. There. A little bit over on this side. On this other end. Now, I've had a lot of these supplies. I don't even want to tell you how long, but for a long time, because I've been waiting for supplies to come in stock, and I was learning patience. Oh, I'm supposed to cover, did I cover the bottom? In case, they said if it bleeds through, you're supposed to have, you're supposed to have supposedly something in between here, but I forgot. And my friend told me that sometimes you don't even have to worry about that, but we're going to try it today, right? I didn't put anything in between. Didn't put anything on the back side to protect my press, but I will. I do have a Teflon sheet that came with my original printing press. Not heat press, I'm sorry. That came with my original heat press that y'all ain't never seen. Child. Anyway, so am I going to put this? No, it's not big enough. So I am going to take, you know she can be renegade, child. She is a renegade. Okay. Rogue. Okay, the Rogue Sublimator. I know I'm going to take this butcher paper. I ordered this from Amazon. So that, I don't know. Is it going to work, child? I don't know. I don't know how high this thing go. But let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, let's just push. Here goes. I'm just going to let it go because, Okay, see, it automatically beeps after a certain amount of time that it's down. I know that it's not nearly enough time or pressure, but you can kind of see the image. I think I was trying to tell y'all that when you can see the graphic or the image through the paper, I think that's a good sign of the ink being released or whatever. So that was about 10 seconds. So we're going to do this about 6 times, right? So this is number 2. Okay, we can see something is happening here. Okay, I don't see no smoke. Like, it's too hot. Okay, this is number 3. And I do have a handheld press coming today, actually. And so I will be doing videos on that. Okay. Oh, y'all lost count. This is number 3. So this is probably number 4. I don't know. Press number 4. I think, child. I don't even know. 4. Okay. This is going to be press number 5. And I've got some other items from Five Below that I bought to test on, and we'll test those together, okay? What did I say, y'all? Number 5. Okay, and this one is going to be number 6. Ooh, y'all, it is coming a little bit onto that butcher paper. So the top butcher paper is supposed to be, I guess, protecting your press so that the image and the ink doesn't go to your next item. Ooh, I hope it doesn't go through to the back side, because I have some images on there. Jamie Foxx. When I did a long time ago a Jamie Foxx quilt, and I'll try to insert that in here. Child, I was renegade and rogue again, and couldn't wait, didn't know, and Jamie Foxx is embedded onto this heat press, y'all. Okay, so you see a little bit of the ink transfer here. If you'll be able to see, you can see a little bit light faint of that. Okay, I don't have any heat gloves, y'all. So what am I supposed to do? Do that? I don't know. I have had t-shirts made on the spot in like Vegas and other places, like pop-up shops or whatever, and they turn those things out so quickly. If I had my Cricut tool, I could just peel the thing away, but I don't. And so what I'm gonna do is try to, I'll take this bottom part off. I'm gonna just turn this thing off, y'all. I'm gonna turn it off. I put the Teflon sheet in between. Oh, look, this, you can't really see him now, but that's Jamie Foxx. It's an image of Jamie Foxx, and there's some stuff right there, some other stuff, child. Okay, maybe I'll put the Teflon sheet in between. No, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna do that, okay? So now I did my first reveal with y'all with the Pride shirt, right? Can y'all see? I'm sorry if you know this is this is too hot to move, so y'all just gonna have to deal with me right now. So I'm gonna take off the tape at the bottom. Okay, can y'all see? Because last time I was trying to do it with one hand. Get a good angle on this. Brighten this thing up. Okay, y'all, here it is. That's just, see, this is press number 2 for me. And this is, okay. Okay, y'all. All right. Okay. I'm impressed. Oh, y'all, I'm impressed with it. I like it. Love it, actually. How do you get this off on the side, child? I don't know. I don't know. Is it permanently affixed on here? No. Okay, it comes off. Okay. So, like I told y'all, I still feel like this is a lot of ink left behind. I don't know. But my friend said that, you know, it's going to be okay. But this right here is just regular printer paper. It's not sublimation paper. My ink, like I said, is probably not the best settings right now. ICC profiles or whatever may not be the best. But, look. Okay, it's too hot to wear unless I go somewhere in a cold climate. But we've got it right here, y'all. We've got it. And so what I might do is put some vinyl lettering here with a saying or word or something, because I know that it's supposed to be best to sublimate first and then add any vinyl, because the sublimation process is a high heat transfer process, and vinyl doesn't go up to 400. Vinyl is like 305 or something along that line. So I could easily put some vinyl on here and not affect, you know, the image. I'm thinking it's okay. But anywho, so that is number 2 for me, y'all. I printed out my second sublimation project printing, whatever you look. I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on and show it to y'all. Okay, on how it looks on, and I think it turned out well. Oh, let's see. I don't think it's stained. Yeah, don't look like none of the ooh, hot. Don't look like any of the transfer went there, or it don't look like it went through the back. So that process of adding something in between to keep it from transferring don't look like anything transferred over onto the back. So I like that. I'm happier with that. Now, what I might would do for sure, if I was going to put an image on the back side, like on the rear, reverse, I would probably put something in between so as to not disturb the front side, maybe. But yeah, so this is my second garment. I told y'all we were going to be on and popping. So this is image number 2, or garment number 2 from Five Below. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own coins. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're interested, and I will see you. You know, I'll see you soon. All right. Bye, y'all.